Hey folks, Trapper Hat Johnny here. Today is Sunday, June, I think it's the 22nd. Very humid today. So a day off of work. I hurt my back. So I'm just gonna puddle around here. I'm not taking time off work for it. So, juniper bush, if you can see it, you can just see little bits of it there along the bottom edge. I planted this juniper bush probably 21 years ago, and it was doing really, really well. It kind of sat dormant for about 4 or 5 years, and it just exploded with its growth. Now, the last couple of years, I've been having raspberry bushes growing over it, as you can see there. Also, Manitoba maple growing right up through it. So the raspberry bushes and the Manitoba maple are actually feeding off of the juniper bush. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to trim it, mostly just to control the Manitoba maple, keep that under control. Just kind of trim it up the best I can and just be happy with that. Then I'm going to run all that through the Yard Machine's 212cc shredder, chipper, or whatever you want to call it. And to give this a haircut, what I'm going to be using today is my Benchmark 6.5 amp electric pruning saw, tree saw, pruning saw, whatever you wish to call it. And that's going to be powered with my certified 4450 open frame generator. So I give the pruning saw a workout and give the generator a workout. And to help me with this project is this little guy here. Come here, Coco. Oh. So as you remember, about 3 weeks ago, roughly, 2 maybe, I did a quick little video on this little guy. We adopted him from the Humane Society. As you're well aware, that Odin had passed away. And so we went and got this little guy. He's a 2.5-year-old German Shepherd Husky mix. We just love this guy. He's a good addition to our little family here. He's blended right in. And he's got energy, he's strong, he's very friendly and affectionate. And I also believe he's going to be very protective. So today he's going to keep an eye on me and make sure I do this job right. Okay, let's get started. All right, let's fire this baby up. hard to do when your back is already bad. Lower back, trying to pull stuff up like at shoulder height or above your waist, and very hard on the back. But it works. Okay folks, so as you can see, I got this kind of trimmed up, just more like a hack job at the moment. I'll have to do some trimming, try to shape it and, you know, make it look good. Manitoba maple, you got to deal with them right away. If they're away from your house or anything like that, yeah, you're fine. You're fine. The Manitoba maples they're like a shallow root tree. They don't go very deep, and right at the base of the tree, that's where they all branch out, so to speak, and that's where they split. Okay. So got that done. Now I'm going to start shredding up this little bit of brush. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, because it does help the channel. Okay. Okay, as you saw, got that all that growth there trimmed down. Still got to do work on it. I still got to shape it, but I just want to get that really heavy stuff out of there for now. And this little $100 benchmark 6.5 amp pole saw did the job. Electric power, I powered it up with my certified 4450 generator and just a couple of 10 amp cables, extension cords, and it worked just fine. This one you have to put your chainsaw oil in it, just like any chainsaw oil for any chainsaw you buy. It doesn't have to be a specific for a pole saw. That's just a selling gimmick. That's all that is. Okay, so let's take a walk up here. Okay. So got that all shredded down. Got a little bit there left to do yet. But this little, now this shredder, if you recall, I bought it, I think it was back around February. Bought it at a flea market. No issues with it. I might have to change the knives, which I should do anyhow. But I think I could probably finish out this season with it. But it works just fine for what I need. Just fine. Now, if you think about this, if you have a larger property and you got trees and stuff and bush lines, whatever that you want to get trimmed up, and you're thinking, well, how am I going to do that? How am I going to go from here to there and back and forth? Well, with this unit, if you have a lawn tractor, you can just tow it behind your lawn tractor. No problem. The generator, okay, again, it's much more feasible to use a generator than using extension cords running, because you don't want to exceed 100-foot cable. So the generator, you can just put that in a yard trailer with it running, and you can just drive around your property and just be totally self-sufficient. And you can go, a couple acres down. If there's work down there you need to do, whatever it may be, because you might not be able to afford a battery-powered pole saw. Anyhow, this works for me. I hope it works for you. Okay, and this guy here, he's got a scarf on. He's trying to impress the ladies. And my back hurts. Okay, folks, this is Trapper Hat Johnny and Coco, wishing you a good day and be good to each other. Bye-bye, folks.